Imagine this. You're doing everything to make him notice you, looking your best, being kind, supportive, and always there for him. But instead of being drawn to you, he seems distant, maybe even uninterested. What's going on? The truth is, attraction isn't just about being nice or pretty, it's about creating unforgettable emotional connections. And today, I'm going to share 7 powerful moves that will make you irresistible and leave him thinking about you non-stop. Welcome back to Psychology Wisdom. If you've ever wondered why some women seem to have a magnetic pull that men can't resist, while others struggle to create a spark, you're in the right place. This video will unlock the secrets of emotional attraction, and there's something very special waiting for you at the end of the video, so don't miss out. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. When you share, it helps this content reach more people who can gain from these insights. Here's a question to get you thinking. Which of these moves do you believe is the most effective for creating attraction? Or have you seen any of these work in your own relationships? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Picture it. You're trying so hard to be good-looking. You're sweet, helpful, and always on call. But somehow, he isn't as attracted to you as you'd like. You begin to wonder, what am I doing wrong? Here's the brutal reality. Attraction has nothing to do with being nice or good-looking. Yeah, they're important, but they don't even begin to tell the whole picture. Actually, a Journal of Social and Personal Relationship study indicates that men are more attracted to certain behaviors than appearance or fundamental personality. The problem? Most women have no idea what these behaviors are. They unwittingly drive men away by engaging in behaviors such as needing constant reassurance, being too available, or waiting for him to always initiate. Does that ring a bell? Perhaps you're thinking, but I'm doing everything right. I'm loyal, compassionate, and I'm always there for him. And those are amazing traits, but they don't necessarily turn on his desire. So what does? It's a bit more nuanced. Once you've got it down, it's like having a superpower. Attraction is an emotional thing, not a rational one. If you continue to approach it the same way, you're going to continue to get the same results. But today, I'm going to show you how to turn the tables using real-life observations and behavioral psychology. Let's discuss the moves that will make you unforgettable. The key to desire: emotional connection. Here's the secret nobody tells you. Men want women who make them feel something. If he's bored, if it's routine, or if there's no emotional rush, he won't feel that pull. A study conducted by Psychology Today found that men's most memorable experiences with women weren't about looks. They were about moments of emotional intensity and surprise connection. Consider your best romantic films, such as The Notebook. It wasn't merely the physical appearance of the characters. It was their playful banter, unpredictability, and profound emotional interactions that made their relationship impossible to resist. Now, let's translate that into real life. If you've ever experienced a moment where you felt utterly desired, chances are it wasn't necessarily about how you appeared. It was about how you made the other person feel. And today, I'm going to teach you the exact steps to create that kind of chemistry. Number 1, the power of playful teasing. Teasing is irresistible. It engages a man's dopamine system, the same neurochemical that produces desire and thrill. Research published in the Journal of Interpersonal Relations discovered that teasing and humor produce emotional peaks men want to experience over and over. How to do it? When he brags, tell him something teasing, like, "Oh, really? I bet I could beat you at that." If he comes dressed in a bright color, smile and comment, "Wow, you're daring to go out like that." A light-hearted stance produces fun, spontaneity, and a spark that compels him to have more. Number 2. The art of prolonged eye contact. Eye contact is one of the most basic stimuli for attraction. In a Harvard study, looking into another person's eyes for more than 7 seconds makes for a strong emotional bond without saying a word. How to use it. Hold his gaze just a second or two longer than usual. Try the triangle gaze. Look at one eye, then the other, and then his lips. It's subtle, but this small move activates the part of his brain linked to attraction. He might not even realize why he feels drawn to you, but he will. Number 3. Utilize the power of mystery. Here's the reality. Men adore a little mystery. If all about you is predictable or readily available, he may lose interest. A study conducted by Relationship Science discovered that individuals who feel curious about someone think about them 28% more. How to create mystery. Don't share all your details with him at first. When he inquires about your weekend, respond with a teasing answer such as, "It was interesting. I'll tell you about it later." This keeps him curious and desiring more, making him think of you. Number 4. Subtle physical touch. Humans are wired to crave touch. Even small moments of contact, like brushing his arm or letting your hands touch briefly, can create a powerful emotional bond. Why it works. According to a study conducted by the Touch Research Institute, light physical touch raises oxytocin, the attachment hormone associated with emotional attachment and desire. How to do it. Brush his arm when you laugh. Tap his shoulder to signal him. Hold your hands a fraction of a second longer when giving him something. These moments may be small, but they make a lasting impression. Number 5. Confident body language. Confidence is magnetic. Men are visual creatures, and before you say a word, your body language speaks volumes. How to radiate confidence. Walk with your head high and shoulders back. Avoid fidgeting. Use slow, deliberate movements. According to Dr. Albert Mehrabian's research, 56% of communication is nonverbal. If your body exudes confidence, he'll notice and feel drawn to you. Number 6. The unexpected compliment. Here's a little secret. Men don't get complimented as much as women, so when they do, it makes a lasting impression. What to say? Don't fall back on generic remarks like, "You look good today." Say something different. Say, "The way you did that was impressive," or "There's something about your energy today. I like it." Number 7. The power of silence. Silence can be one of your most seductive weapons. People are inherently uneasy with silence and feel like they must fill it, and this tends to bring them closer to you. How to use it. When there's a pause in conversation, don't rush to fill it. Hold his gaze, smile softly, and let the moment linger. A study in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology found that people who embrace silence are perceived as more confident and mysterious, both of which fuel attraction. Become unforgettable. Now envision becoming that woman who's not only noticed, but remembered. You don't have to become someone you're not. You just need to apply these strategies to create emotional connections and get him wanting more. Which of these techniques are you most eager to use? Let me know in the comments below. I read and value all of them. If you gained something out of this video, be sure to click the like button and pass it on to someone who would benefit from learning about it. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Don't forget, you've got this, and I'll catch you in the next one.